So now we're going to go to number 3. Does she have a Coke? So does. Okay. So does. Now we have does. So does. Put the box. So does she? Good. Does he? Very good. It? Very good. Name. Okay, so remember one name. Good. And singular noun. Okay, like the cat, one cat. So does he? Now this is very important. Remember we have does he, does she, does it, does name, followed by have. Good. So we already have the does. Does she, does he, does it, does name. You do not change this to has. Remember that because you're asking a question. Does he have, let's put pencils. Okay, or does he have a pen? Okay, good. Question, okay? Good. So, does she have? Because we already have does. Remember, do I, do you, do they? Good. Okay? Do you, do they? Good. So remember, does she have? Does he have? Does it have? Does Tom have? Does Amy have? Okay, pencils or a Coke or an umbrella. Okay, does Wayne have an umbrella? Yes, he does. Good. So now we're going to do the answer. Yes. Okay. So yes, she does. Very good. Yes, he does. Very good. It. So yes, it does. And let's see the name. Let's see Tom. Tom is name. Tom, T-O-M. We can yes. We can say yes, Tom does, or we can say yes, he does. Okay, we can say we can either put his name or we can put he. Okay, both is correct. So yes, we can say yes, Tom does, or we can say yeah, we can say he. Okay, so if you don't write Tom, you can also write he. So yes, Tom does. Yes, he does. Now we're going to look at no. Now over there you see does, doesn't. Teacher Levi, what is doesn't? So doesn't is D-O-E-S-N. You have the apostrophe and the T is the same as, is a short way for you to write does not. So this is doesn't is does not. So we have, let's say, so this is yes. Okay, now we're going to put no. So no, she doesn't. Good. No, he doesn't. And no, he doesn't. So no, good. Now, so let's go back. So when you write no, she doesn't. So what does she have? She has a milkshake. Good. So remember, no, she doesn't. No, he doesn't. Does Oliver have a marker? Yes, he does. Good. Does Ian have a remote? No, he doesn't. He has a pencil. Very good. Very good. Very good. This is very good. So now we're going to go to the last one. Do they have hamburgers? Yes, they do. They have hamburgers. So remember, now we're going to play a game. So now we're going to play a game. Good. So now I'm going to put, so you see, do they have hamburgers? Yes, they do. They have hamburgers. So yes, they do. They have hamburgers. No, they don't. Very good. Now let us play a game. Let us play a very easy game. So the game is, I'm gonna call the game Do and Does. Okay, so we have do and does. That's the name of the game.